Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Windows Server on Azure Virtual Machines. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin updating your Windows Server on Azure Virtual Machines, log into your Azure portal. Once logged in, navigate to the Virtual Machines section from the left-hand menu. Select the virtual machine you wish to update from the list of available resources. In the overview page of your selected virtual machine, look for the Connect option at the top. Click on Connect to access your virtual machine via remote desktop. Follow the prompts to download the remote desktop file. Open the downloaded file and enter your login credentials. Once connected to your virtual machine, click on the Start menu located at the bottom left. Type Windows Update in the search bar and select Windows Update Settings from the results. In the Windows Update settings, click on Check for Updates to scan for any available updates. After the scan, review the list of updates that need to be installed. Select the updates you wish to apply, and then click the Install button. Wait for the updates to be downloaded and installed on your server. Once the installation is complete, you may be prompted to restart your virtual machine. If prompted, click on Restart Now to reboot your server and complete the update process. After your virtual machine restarts, log in again using your credentials. To confirm that the updates were successfully installed, return to Windows Update Settings. Click on View Update History to see a list of installed updates. Make sure all desired updates are listed as successfully installed. Your Windows Server on Azure Virtual Machine is now up to date and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.